Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I will give you the review of this stainless steel stemmer. So it is a stainless steel stemmer from Pan Emirates. It is food shape, dishwasher shape, and having this nice holding grip. The steel is very nice, as you can see. It is very durable. Okay, so it is the skimmer from staple skimmer having size of 35 centimeter from Pan Emirates. The color is chrome. It is made up of stainless steel, and as you can see, it is quite big, quite large. The diameter is very nice, and you can usually use it for all of your cooking purposes. So as you can see, you can hold it nicely. The thing is that you can hold it in this angular about 45 degree of angle, so that the oils, or let's say whenever whatever things you are cooking, it can get easily drained up. So overall I will say the quality is very nice. As you can see, it is very nice quality. The sign is just the finish is also nice, and the grip is quite good, so that it will not get heated. So this is different material, this is different material, so you will not get heating effect onto this holding grip. So this is after more than 1.5 year of usage. This is get burned because we just put this on a very hot pan. However, the quality of stainless steel, it's looking good. There is no damage in that. But one thing I want to let you know, this grip, it comes out when we are using it. So let me show you that. So it's shaking a little bit, and as you can see from this part, it generally comes out like this. So there has to be some you can say fastener along with this, because we are not sure when it can come out, but we have to fix it quite heavily so that it gets perfectly fit. But this is a loose fit, and it has to be much more interference fit. So overall it's working fine, but only problem that I am facing with this handle. So this comes out very frequently. If you like the video, hit a like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man for more such videos. Thank you.